Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm a little bit flushed, even I've noticed it today. My hormones suck. Anyways, we are going to get into a new stitch this week, a new stitch tutorial. It's called the brick stitch and it's a lot of fun. Stick around to the end of this video because a really exciting announcement actually for you guys. I don't want you to miss it, so I'll see you in a bit. So today we are making the aligned brick stitch, the first variation on this stitch. Now we're working in a multiple of 3 repeat, and I'm working in the round for this one. However, I am going to post a pattern link at the end in the description so that you can follow that for both a straight and in the round pattern. So we're going to single crochet over a base chain or a base of multiple of 3 chains or stitches. Single crochet into the first one, chain 2, skip 2 stitches, and single crochet into the next stitch. And again, chain 2, skip 2 stitches, and single crochet once more. You're going to repeat this completely around or across, depending on what you're working this pattern with. I apologize, my voice is kind of shot lately. I've been sick, so it hasn't been fun. I guess it's going to be my winter. So for the last, to join in the round, we are going to chain only 1, and after you skip those 2 stitches, you are going to single crochet back into that first single crochet. So it will bring your stitch into roughly the center, as you can see, of the chain space. And we're going to chain 3 and flip our work, and work around the first post and double crochet. We're going to front post double crochet, so get under the stitch, and double crochet around it, and then repeat 2 double crochet in the chain space and a front post double crochet around the single crochet post. I'm showing you this example on a piece that I'm working on. It is a dress. It's part of the collection that's going to be released this December, which we are going to be talking a little bit more about now. This is also part of it, and this is another part. I've actually been working in different gauges, by the way, so you're going to have 3 different options in sizing your projects, your yarn, and your hook. So with gifting and holiday planning well underway, I'm pretty sure everyone else has gotten a head start, and at least 50% of the people that I know have already put up their Christmas trees and decorations. I guess that's just part of being Canadian. What are you gonna do? I want to do a really big Christmas giveaway every year, and hopefully next year it'll be even bigger. This year, in lieu of almost 100 subscribers, because we are actually going up really quick on that count, and about 500 followers, give or take, on Instagram, I am giving away 5 incredible items: beginner crochet kit, a full set of aluminum hooks, a set of interchangeable hooks, LED hooks. I'm going to go through some of the items in the giveaway a little bit more thoroughly in our next video, where I'm going to be reviewing some of those items as well. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm looking forward to this giveaway. So you do have to comment on my Instagram. If you don't follow me there already, you do have to get on there and put your name and the name of anybody that you think would be interested in this giveaway into the comments. Following the instructions in the description on my specific giveaway post, and I will see you all soon on December 1st, next Wednesday, for the draw.